Alright guys, check this out. I got these Love Beets. These are organic cooked beets. These are already pre-made. They're organic, and let's open this up. I got this, it was on sale. They were like getting rid of it. So, check this out. So it comes with 2 packages of 4 beets per package. Like I said, they're pre-cooked, so I'm gonna cook one up and actually eat them. So I'm gonna be making some rice and ground turkey. So I'll be back, guys. Stay tuned. I'll be putting that with my rice and ground turkey. Yeah, so stay tuned. Right, so here are the beets all done. They're actually pretty tasty. They don't have a really strong earthy taste. They're actually really sweet. Yeah, they're actually. I'm gonna say this. It's surprisingly good for. Pre-packaged, ready-to-eat beets. Yeah, really soft, tender, and like I said, the earthy taste isn't really that strong, and it's pretty sweet. So, yeah, definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.